Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to delete a media in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's go to WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now we need to go to the chats from which we need to delete the media. So let's tap on this one and let's tap on the media we want to delete. So let's go here, and in the top right corner we can see this three dots over here. Let's tap on this, and in the bottom we can see delete option over here. So let's tap on this. Now here are two options, that delete for everyone and delete for me. If you only want to delete for yourself, you can click on delete for me, and if you want to delete for everyone, click on delete for everyone. Let's tap on delete for everyone. So it's done. So this is all we need to do to delete a media from WhatsApp chats. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.